Hey guys, I'm going to show you another project in my portfolio, but this time it's about a pencil sharpener. And the really cool thing is I redesigned the user interaction, so I changed the design and it looks completely different. Let's dive right in. So here's my pencil sharpener project on my website. And like I had mentioned before, this is an innovative redesign for an updated user interaction and form. So because form follows function, and I'm changing the function, the form drastically changes. Really what I learned from this project was how to update and innovate an existing design by developing a new user interaction. Like I said, the updated function drastically changes the form, and I learned how to create realistic and finished models. So you might be wondering, what is this circle with a dot in it, and how is this a pencil sharpener in any way? Let's look at the evolution of pencil sharpeners. So here we have a Jupiter. It's from 1910. This is a Boston from 1950. And here's my redesign from 2023. So you can see we drastically change the form and create a sort of abstract, decorative, but functional piece of wall art. So this is how it works. Instead of using two hands and putting the pencil in and cranking the handle like this, all you have to do is put the pencil in the hole and turn the pencil. So that's the real difference and the innovation in my design. Here is my mood board. I was really inspired by ceramics and these circular shapes. I just thought it was really, really neat. I explored some profiles. So here was like an average form of each profile exploration. And I kind of settled along this shape that you can see here, kind of looking through this contour. Because this project was only 3 weeks long, it was really, really quick. So I just developed some really simple cardboard models to test the diameter of hole position to see what was the most comfortable. Here is some more form exploration and different shapes, and it really helped me to kind of get my idea from just a 2D drawing to 3D. So I went on the lathe and carved these out of foam. These were my little mini models, which I just did super quickly. Here you can see the side profile. I lined them all up to kind of compare each other. And this was my 3D printed prototype. You can see all like the different slice lines there and kind of looking into that affordance for the hole where you put your pencil. This is my final model, and I have it right behind me, so I'll show you that in greater detail at the end of the video. But I finished it, and I went into the spray booth to spray paint, or use the spray gun, sorry, and give it like a really cool gradient color. And you can also kind of see the little bit of like a blue reflection on the wall, which I thought was really, really neat. It was unintended, but it ended up being a nice surprise. Now, not only am I trying to create something that looks really good, but it has to work as well. So here's like an exploded view of all the different components, including the attachment to the wall, the back housing, the unique circular blade, but then also the front cover, which spins around the entire housing. And to kind of put the cherry on top, here I made a render of the pencil sharpener in an office. Now I really wanted it to be sort of abstract, and someone would say, oh, what's that red dot on the wall? Like, what is that thing? So I wanted people to kind of learn through exploration and kind of discovery as well. So I really think that it can fit into any modern environment really, such as an office or a classroom, and it just gives it a really unique look. So now let me show you some detailed shots of the model. Okay, so here is the model, and you can see it's super shiny. I had to use like a really high grit sandpaper to get that effect. And you can also see the gradient, the transition from dark to lighter blue. I even have the separation lines for all of the different components. And that's my pencil sharpener project video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.